Hi everybody, I'm Karen. I'm the new packing associate, and the rumors are true. I am in fact a lawyer, a retired lawyer, now kind of turned packing associate. I still work as a consultant, but I'm also working part-time here at Wrapunzel, and I'll tell you something, I like scarves more than I like practicing law.
Karen is amazing, and she has grown so much here at Wrapunzel. She's contributing so much. She's getting more involved with the foundation. She's helping us with like some of our legal documents and fun stuff like that. And she's just so much fun in the packing room. Like whenever I can sneak back there and help her out because she sometimes lets me. She just has that, like, we have the greatest conversations, and I love how she puts together combinations of her orders and notices such cool things. And I love working with her. She's such a great presence here.
Karen is amazing to be around in the office. She's always reliable, always happy to jump in and get things done, and whenever I'm chatting with her, she's always got a great story or something fun to talk about.
She's amazing. When I saw that she graduated from Harvard and was a lawyer, I'm like, you want to work here? And it's just been such a joy to like talk with her. She has such an intellectual mind, and I could literally talk with her for hours.
I work really closely with Karen, and what I can say most about her is how conscientious and careful of a worker she is, always wanting to make sure she does the best job possible.
Karen always seems to have a smile on her face. She's just a really positive, happy person, and so far she's just been such a pleasure to work with.
Karen has been here quite a while at this point, and she is just a joy to work with. She comes to me with lots of questions, and I'm really excited to be working with her a little bit more on some volunteer things she's taken on for the foundation. And it's really been fun working with Karen. She is a wealth of knowledge, and she and I do love our various trivia questions when we have time. Love it. Love Karen!